Here we... Let's get thriving.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Alright, fans. Let's go Jurassic. Tonight's episode, we're gonna draw Chasmatosaur from Walking with Monsters. Chasmatosaurs prefer to be on hot, dry lands and in the sea. Basically, they feed on bigger animals besides themselves, especially, well, including avoiding those known as euparkeria. And, well, let's just say there are a few of those who prefer to call this animal as the long-legged crocodile ancestor. I know I do. According to my book, this creature is named Proterosuchus, but Walking with Monsters calls it Chasmatosaur. And one fact about the Chasmatosaur, if you're looking at the side of his body, the side of his skull, it almost looks like it has two eyes on the side of its upper body. There we go. Forget I ever drew that bump.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman. Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Let's see. Here is his tail. And complete. That's how you draw a Chasmatosaur. One of the characters from Walking with Monsters before the dinosaurs. Its fossil finds were found in Africa and Asia. I find this creature to be rather exhilarating to look at. I consider him to be one of my top 10 predators for Walking with Monsters. I give it a rating of 5 stars out of 5. And a 20 out of 10 review. Basically, every animal that is involved with Walking with Monsters, I prefer this one to be one of the best. Every dinosaur is considered the best to me. Anyway, better sign up for now. Stegosaur, see you later!